Welcome back. Happy Thursday. Let's start the weather forecast with the daily almanac. So today, not a lot of wind. It traveled east at 5 kilometers per hour. We saw the sunrise at 8:18 a.m. The sunset tonight will be at 5:11 p.m. And the pressure today, 101 kPa. For the temperatures in Dawson Creek, the high was 1 degree. Again, we're right in the middle of the record high and low. In Chetwynd, the high was 0 degrees. Fort St. John, a similar high. And then Fort Nelson, a little colder, the high was -4. Now if we look at the regional forecast in Grand Prairie, there's going to be some flurries expected with a high of 2 degrees. Similar conditions in Spirit River, colder at 0 degrees. For Chetwynd, there's going to be, again, a little bit of snow tomorrow with a high of 0 degree. And then in Tumbler Ridge, similar high there at 0 degree. There is a chance of flurries, but the sun may also peek through at some point throughout the day. Fort Nelson, a little colder at -2, and again, a chance of snow there. Tumbler Ridge, the high will be 2 degrees, but it doesn't change. There is going to be some snow in the Hudson's Hope region as well. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John tonight. We're not done with the snow. The low is -1 degree. It will continue on Friday, but only at a 30% chance. The high is 0 degrees and the low is -3. And then we're back to warmer conditions and sunnier conditions on Saturday. Sunday and Monday, a high of 3 on Saturday, a high of 8 on Sunday, and then on Monday, a high of 6. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Dawson Creek. Similar thing in Dawson Creek, we're not done with the snow tonight. There is going to be a chance of flurries and a low of -2. That means on Friday, you may wake up to some more snow, so be careful if you drive on the highways because there is going to be patches of fog and there is going to be also some snow all day on Friday. The low is -3. On Saturday, a high of 3, and we're done with the snow. Sunny conditions with some clouds. On Sunday, we jump all the way up to 8 degrees, and then there's also going to be a mix of sun and cloud. Monday, similar conditions and a high of 6. Now let's take a look at the province of BC and Alberta. There's going to be a chance of precipitation in Calgary with a high of 4 degrees. In Edmonton, since it's going to be colder at -2, there isn't going to be any rain, but there'll be some snow. Prince George, a high of 6 with some rain. Prince Rupert, a high of 7 with, again, some rain. In Vancouver, there's been a lot of rain in the past few days, and it's going to continue tomorrow with a high of 11. Now let's take a look at the national forecast. We'll be right back with sports after the break.